Can you please share the fundamental time and the sessions? Man, I'm gonna share that. Just know that you need to trade around 2:30 and 3:30. That's all I can tell you for now. And 4 maybe. Not actually 5, but 4:30 can be traded. So I told you. That's what I can tell you for now. So for more things, man, like people are paying for those things. You want them for free. You want everything for free. You need to go for YouTube. YouTube will pay for you for free. I'm going 3K now. See, what is it that I can do here? What is it that you guys suggest I should do? Because I'm going 4,000 and 4,000 is cash back. Suggest, tell me what to do, I'll do it. Let me quickly come here. Send it here. Still going 63K, 63 Rand. Oh, it's going 4K now. Ah man, you're playing with me. Do something very good. So one thing about USDT, guys, I feel like it's more for scalping than swinging, because it always comes back to the entry point. Scalp or 3:30. Let me see where it's still pushed further more to the top, and there's nothing that shows that we can actually reverse there. You must teach how to trade NAS. Man, NAS is just my homie. And instead, am I the only one yo guys, I like it when it freezes. Yo, when it freezes, like you holding on, like let's say you enter 4 trades and then the metaphor freeze, man. It's nice when it's freezing. I'm telling you, my G, you're not gonna enjoy it. It has to freeze. If you want to enjoy a metaphor, it has to freeze. When are you making a robot? The problem about my robot, nobody was going to afford my robot. You understand? My robot will be the most expensive robot into the market. I will sell it 100K. 100K. I just want 100K, guys. I'm gonna be fine, yo. In my bank account now it's 0, and it's my third joy. So you see, if I get 100K, I'm sorted. I'm soft forever. Can't make my account and trade to withdraw, because it's not yours up until it's in your bank account. Yeah, but when it's freeze during CPI, then we seize. Now you took a wrong direction. Imagine those who took the right direction, yo. And then the next thing you're looking at on Trading View, it's dropping like heck, and you took that direction, and then the market is going to be 100K. I'm not gonna play. But it's Ninja's robot. You understand? It's Nasdaq's Ninja's robot. Check my pure price section. It's different to what it's going to be. And these days, the bullish trades in that. Think like it will buy, dog. It will buy. That's what I'm looking for. Let me check the time. I'm gonna trade around 3:30. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be taking buys no matter what. I don't care where you will be going. Hello guys, as you know, Tech Ninja. So before we can continue, he doesn't do it. I withdrawn cash from vol markets, but I haven't received. Then what is the problem of you not receiving it? What is the problem? That's something that, it's crazy when someone says you withdraw cash and doesn't find it. I don't get that tendency of information from people saying that you found that a person having yet figured his account, they don't know where they're gonna send the money. You found that the person, there's a problem, always a problem. Person funds with Capitec, wants to take the money to FNB. Stop there. Like, follow those mini rules. Why are you buying USDT? I just feel like I will buy. My gods and my Lord are telling me that they're telling me buy me. I should buy at that certain time. I'm gonna buy here. Go to my YouTube channel and see why am I buying. Do we have an event today? No, I don't know. Do we? Do we have an event today? Ask others. I don't know on my side. Hey, I nearly thought my account is on 27K, man. Because I knew very well when I closed there, I was just like 8K. Why am I sitting on 25K? Why are you okay? Which broker are you using? The broker that I'm using, third party withdrawals are killing people. Hey, man, like, why you guys like that? Like sometimes you find, man, I can't withdraw my money. You fix this problem. The person didn't withdraw on the right account. Then the email is telling you, can you please withdraw with the account that you're funded with? Please verify that account. You understand simple English? Like they're not saying we're not giving you your money. Do certain things and then you're gonna be fine. Understand? Now you feel like bit last. Yes, like I told you guys, we're gonna be having free session on Telegram. That's what's gonna be happening. You see, this thing will kill us, guys. It was going losses now, like I was going like why were you going losses? You want us to change the direction, Baba? We're still gonna buy you, and what are you doing? Like this thing was doing unnecessary sales now, bro. Like it nearly went back to my first entry. And if a trade comes to my first entry, I have to close with a loss. But why was doing that? Hey, this market will kill us. Let me add something here. 1, 2, 3. So the reason I'm adding here is because if the market wanted to sell, it was gonna sell. So why is it coming back? There's a reason why it's coming back. Something now you might find it's time for us to move. So you'll be left out because you are relaxing. Because I understand my own currency than other currencies. I don't need to convert here. I know how much I have. This could be us always Forex traders on a calculator. You see this point here. This one, let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see this position here. You see, this is something that has to happen this other side, and which is I feel like at this moment is this thing that it's happening, and this created a bigger sell, which has to give us a buy. Imagine I'm seeing 2.5. I don't know what am I gonna do with 2.13. Show me something. King of Kings. Tumelo JPY in the building. What's good, my boy? 10 times I go JPY. Let's see what's happening. So I always close my phone like this, and then the next time when I come here, it's jackpot. That's what I always do. I didn't get lots of loss more. Like it's not moving, yo. Guys, at least let it give me 10k, not 5k, 10k. 10k, I'm out. I'm sure you are close relative to ease. How can you lose 4k in 4 minutes without proper risk management? Petrol for this week. I'm chilling here in yourself. I'm good, boy. Busy market though. Remember, enemy of my enemy is my friend. I'm still fighting this enemy of us. Every day, you're like, we always on a bigger war. Every day by day. I know what's there. You see, that is why I don't like trading this kind of sessions. You know, that is why you never find me holding trades at this certain session. I'm just overexcited because I'm on 100k profit. If it wasn't that, I wasn't gonna be trading here. You see, now it went back to that position I told you that I nearly closed the trade. Have you traded SMC? Yeah, I once traded SMC twice. I moved. I don't want to. AMG 663 waiting for you this airport. Hey guys, that thing is expensive, you know. At least I reached my first goal. I'm not sure about the second goal. What's the difference being registered under someone and not under someone on Vol? There is no difference, but we don't know what is it that you are under. Understand? So better if I say buy Nasdaq, you know you are under me, so that you go with me. So imagine saying buy, the next thing we don't know what is it that's happening with your account. Your account just disappear when we enter trades. We don't want that. I want to talk for you. When it's time for withdrawal, I want to tell them, hey, my boy is winning this side. Give him his withdrawal. Yeah, this zone is giving this thing a problem. I felt like I will pass it, but hey, not now, guys. Like I told you guys, we're gonna come back around 0.5%. King Blue can do a much better job at more than King Blue is transparent, and I've witnessed this first in his. What are you talking about? When who are you talking about? Like lobelela ka eng gents le khuluma ngani? Unless I vala gents le ngathi I sense that it's no longer doing the right job. We are closing this one. Let me close it. Let's quickly close this one, guys. It's not doing the right job. Imagine we saw approximately 4K, we let it, now we have to close a 1,000 loss. What the fuck is that? Like, you see, I close losses when something is not actually doing the right thing. You understand? I do that. Someone says don't close, you'll see what I'm gonna do. Give me 2 minutes. I close trades, me guys. I don't care if something is. When I come back with bigger lot sizes. Niggas are playing. They don't wanna trade the good way. You know, imagine Joe, you saw 4K. The next thing, it's just that guys, not 4K. I don't close. Like you guys, the problem is you get overexcited when you see with my 4K. 4K it's not cash, Joe. You're still gonna upload. Like make money to trade. Like trade, make a lot of cash. Understand? One hit only. I'm still closing the trade, and I just now, and I don't play games. Buy it hard now. You're crazy. Hey, you are only lost a K. Now imagine just coming back to the market and buying the market hard same time. I will kill you now. It will to relax. You see, when it's playing like this, you just put your phone. You don't entertain it. Who can you refer for me first? You know, one thing about swing trading, guys, it's that like swing trading, you don't actually like gonna enter once. You know, you enter many. Understand? You enter many times. So that's so freaking good about it. You understand? When are you visiting Botswana? I'm assuming quite far. You're drunk. Why don't you trade USD? Caring because sir is some other question. Like, tell me here, if I found 1.5, you find, let's say, how much is $100? It's 1.8. Let's say 1.8. I found 1.8, you found 1.5. You open. Hey, Joe, do you think you're going to make more money than I make? Or we're going to make the same money? Let's make sense these days. When you think I'm stupid to move from USD to trade with ZAR? Man, I'm tired of going to my calculator converting $5,000, which I don't even know how much is. How much is $5,000? 10,000, you don't know. You have to go and convert. So then when I make $20 fund, I fund 2K. How many accounts do you use on Instagram?